Okay, on previous video I have shown you how to fix the error, and let me show you how to start the MySQL server. Okay, first let me check whether my MySQL server is active or not. Okay, so to check that, start sudo service MySQL status. Okay, so it's showing inactive or dead. You can see here. Okay, so let me just quickly start. Okay, this to start the MySQL server, you just need to type command sudo service MySQL start. Okay, it has been started. I can check status. It was so active. Yeah, it's active running. Okay, so exit from my control Z, and you need to start you need to log into your MySQL. Okay, so to do that, sudo MySQL root, and password you need to enter. Okay, your username is root and password is I have to enter. See, you are in the MySQL. Yeah, it's showing database. Thank you.